Now I'm going to show you how to make a giraffe, which is very similar to the basic dog that I made in another session. For this, I'm going to leave 5 fingers uninflated. Then from the tine end, I'm going to do a 3-finger bubble, followed by 2 2-finger bubbles. And I'm going to lock these with the first bubble that I made. So I do a lock twist. Now, unlike with a dog, I'm going to do a longer neck. I'm going to do a 10-finger bubble. Now I'm going to do the front legs, which is going to be a 3-finger bubble, followed by a second 3-finger bubble, and then I'm going to lock twist them. Now I'm going to do a 3-finger bubble, followed by 2 more 3-finger bubbles. And then I'm going to lock twist them. That gives you the back legs, and it also gives you the tail. And there you have a very basic and quick giraffe. Thank you for watching.